Because this example. In this example, we have Xt as a matrix space. It has two subsets A and B. Then we have to prove these two things. So first of all, we will focus on part A. I have written already. Okay. See what we have. We have A subset of B. The given thing is A subset of B. And to prove that A interior is subset of B interior. So what is our target? Target is to prove A interior subset of B interior. How to prove one set is subset of other? We take one arbitrary point from first set and we prove that it is in second set also. So we can prove A subset of, that means first set is subset of second set. Let us do. Let X belongs to A interior. I am taking one arbitrary point from first set. See, X belongs to A interior. That means X is an interior point of A. So here we can use the definition of interior point. The definition of interior point says X is the interior point. That means there exists some radius r greater than 0 such that open ball with center X radius r is subset of A. Getting that? It is subset of A. See, but the given thing is A subset of B. What we have got? Open ball is subset of A, but we have A subset of B. So if you combine, then we will have open ball BXR is subset of B. Getting? So by definition of interior point, we can say X is an interior point of B, is an interior point of B. Simply definition of interior point I use. Getting? So definition of interior point says that there exists a ball with center X radius r which should entirely lie inside B. Same thing we have. So that's why we can declare X is the interior point of B. That means X belongs to B interior. So therefore we had started with X belongs to A interior, right? And what we have got finally, X belongs to B interior. So that means what can we say? Therefore A interior is subset of B interior. Okay. So in this way we proved A interior subset of B interior. Make a screenshot of it. After that we'll go for its second part. Let us see the second part now. Okay. See what we have to prove. A intersection B interior is equal to A interior is equal intersection B interior. How to prove two sets are equal? First we prove first set is subset of second. After that we prove second set is subset of first. Then we can declare both of them are equal, right? So I will follow the same technique. Clearly, we can write one thing, A intersection B subset of A and A intersection B subset of B. In this diagram, you can easily see A intersection B, that means common part of A and B. It is subset of A as well as it is subset of B. So if I apply first part, so A subset of B, then in interior set of interiors also we have the same relation. So that's why this is subset of A. So therefore A intersection B interior is subset of A interior. Okay, and we will have the same thing, A intersection B interior subset of B interior. We can write from part A. Okay, we can write it. See, this is subset of A interior, this is subset of B interior. That means this is common in A interior and B interior. So that's why it lies in intersection, right? It is subset of this one, subset of that one, so it lies in intersection. For example, you can say Chandigarh, okay? It is a capital of Haryana as well as it is a capital of Punjab also. That means Chandigarh lies in intersection of both of them. Simple example I give. Getting? So that's why it is subset of A interior, it is subset of B interior, so that's why it lies in intersection also. So implies A intersection B interior subset of A interior intersection B interior. equation star. Or maybe you have studied that when we have AND, we replace it by intersection, and when we have OR, we replace it by union. I think in 11, 12, you have already studied that part. So by applying that logic also, we will have the same. So here we have to prove equality, but right now we have proved one is subset of other. Now we are going to focus on second is subset of first. Now to prove that A interior intersection B interior subset of A intersection B whole interior. So how to prove one is subset of other? We will take one point, okay, and we will prove that that point lies in that set also. So let X belongs to A interior intersection B interior. That means X belongs to A interior intersection means and, X belongs to B interior. Let me remove this diagram. I hope you have understood this part. So we will have more space to write. Okay. See, X belongs to A interior. That means X is an interior point of A. This thing we have. And X belongs to B interior means X is an interior point of B. You remember the definition of interior point? So by definition of interior point, there exists R1 greater than 0, R2 greater than 0 such that, see, I am taking R1 for first definition, that means X is interior point of A. I am taking R2 for B, okay, such that open ball with center X radius R subset of A and open ball with center X radius R2 subset of B. Getting? See, both of them have a same center X, just radius are different. Maybe radius R1 will be less than radius R2, so that ball will be smaller than that one, or maybe R2 will be smaller than R1. In that case, this ball will be smaller than this one. But see, center is fixed, which is X. What I am going to do, I am going to take R, which is minimum of R1 and R2. We don't know which one is minimum, but definitely what I am going to do, whatever will be the minimum. So that means I am going to choose the smallest ball. Then BXR is subset of BXR1 and BXR is subset of BXR2. If minimum of these two is R1, then R and R1 will be same. In that case, these two balls will be equal, but this is subset of that one. If minimum of R1 and R2 is R2, okay, so for example, R1 is 2, R2 is 3. So what will be the minimum? 2. In that case, R1 is equal to R. You are getting my point? See, so that means if you choose the minimum, just like this one, X center is same. Suppose this is X R1 and this is R2. This is R1 and this is R2. So in that case, minimum will be R1. So we will have equality here and we will have subset, proper subset. You are getting? Or if R2 is minimum, then we will have exactly opposite thing. So let me remove this part, this diagram. I had drawn only for understanding, okay? Then what will happen? BXR, it is subset of BXR1 and BXR1 is subset of A. If you combine, so BXR subset of A and BXR subset of BXR2 and BXR2 subset of B. If you combine these two, then we will have BXR subset of B. See, in left hand side, here also we have BXR, here also we have BXR. BXR subset of A as well as BXR subset of B. So that's why it is a subset of intersection of A and B. And means intersection, you remember, na? Okay. So there is no more space to write. So I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. Then we will go further. Okay. So see, therefore, BXR subset of A intersection B, since it is a subset of both A and B. Okay. So this is definition of interior point. So therefore we can say X is an interior point interior point of A intersection B. So symbolically we can write the same thing in this way. X belongs to A intersection B whole interior. Okay. So let me remove this part. So basically just a minute, therefore basically we had started with A belongs to A interior intersection B interior, and finally we proved X belongs to A intersection B whole interior. So therefore what it means, tell me? That means first set is subset of second set. Okay, equation double star. In star, we have proved this set is subset of this one, and now we are saying this set is subset of that one. So if you combine, I will mention simply from star and double star. If you combine both statements, what will you have? We will have equality. That means A intersection B whole interior is equal to A interior intersection B interior. In this way, we completed this example. Make a screenshot of it. After that, we will stop. Thank you. Bye-bye.